in the forest.
Some children are staying on a campsite with her teacher, Mr. Taylor.
Let's go into the forest. I want to find everything of the list. I can take photos of every ring of the list. Look, there is a mushroom. And here is a ghost orchid. No, that isn't a ghost orchid. Ghost orchids are very rare. Look, there is a patcher. Oh, I can't move. I think my leg is broken. What can we do? You stay here. We can go to the campsite for her.
Sorry, Mr. Taylor, we don't know the way to the campsite.
Go to the end of the path. Then turn right. Round the lake. Turn left at the signpost. That's the way to the campsite.
Half an hour later, the children returned with the rescue services.
What's the matter? It's my leg. I think it's broken. Look, your line next to a ghost